fucking asshole delivery drivers is pissing down and they just dumped it on the doorstep, didn't even ring the bell or anything. Which is great if it's a lump of shit, not if it's technology. This is not what you think it is, honestly. It's not what you think it is, unless you think it's safe. Right. Is it a DIY job? It's a fucking DIY job. Okay. This is a taser. I think there's no instructions. Right, so it's a DIY taser. Oh, fuck's sake. Right, so I've got to actually build this myself. That's not what I expected. That is that's shrink wrap plastic for the wiring. Okay, it's not a major kerfuffle. That's the off switch. On off switch. Where's my other glasses? Oh, for a pair of freaking glasses that have run away. Why are glasses always run away? Glasses. There we go. That'll do. Right. Okay, so that is basically, it's not a dildo. It's a taser. So, there's no instructions whatsoever. Fuck. There's a couple of holes poking out there. There's a hole poking there. So I'm going to guess that that goes in here for your safety switch, on-off switch, somehow. That's going to be your starty zap zap button, going to go in there. Is that going to require welding or just shrink wrapping? I don't know. That's going to be a different video entirely. I was not expecting a DIY kit. But that is basically a taser. So my 3.5 is going to go in there. It's pretty much very similar to what I've already got, except for the housing. That's the only thing I didn't have was the housing. And it's cheaper to buy the entire bloody kit than to try and find something that you can put your thing inside. I do have something on order for my other. It's identical to the one I've already got. That's a bit heavier actually. I need to make sure I keep that all in one bag so I don't lose any of the bits. Yeah, what I've got is some Velcro strap. They call it hook and loop on because Velcro is a brand name. But I'm going to use that as a makeshift container for me of the taser when I eventually put it together. Because that way I can just unwrap it to take the battery out and recharge it. Yeah, that's okay. So it's got all the bits in there that I need. So that's that one, which is brilliant. That's a project as it's pissing down the rain. This one is what I'm more pissed off with. They left on the doorstep because it costs a damn sight more. Because of course in England it's not AliExpress for a change. This is because AliExpress, I'm always dubious when they say it contains 1 billion terabytes of can't open the plastic thing. Storage and stuff like that. It's an external hard drive. That is what this has, because I'm redoing all my externals, because I've got so much stuff on external drives. I'm going to redo them. Just rearrange stuff. It takes a fucking eternity. And with my crappy little computer, it will take a very long time. But that is a 5 terabyte hard drive. It was 120-ish. There's condensation on the inside because it was outside in the cold. It's just above freezing out there. So that's quite lightweight actually. That's my 5 terabyte. I'll give you an example of slight difference in technology when it comes to size, capacity and storage. This is a 3 terabyte external. So nearly half this bloody size capacity of this thing, and this one is self-powered, so you don't need to plug it in the mains like the big one. So yet another bloody transfer cable. So yeah, that is my 5 terabyte, which it should just be plug and play, no formatting involved. So I can start the probably 2-week process, 2 weeks, to start transferring all my, it's about 50 terabytes I've got to transfer. rearranging from one place to another, to another, to another. You can't just copy it all in one go. You've got to put all the stuff on here to make space to copy stuff onto something else. So yeah, that's my 5 terabyte external. From Agus. It's about the only thing I buy from them anymore. I don't bother with a lot of stuff. Argos is basically a car boot sale. That's all they are. They sell end-of-line products, stuff that doesn't exist anymore. It's impossible to get a refund if you're buying it online, unless you want to spend money on phone calls. Same with Currys, exactly the same thing. They will not speak to you directly. They say go online, which means talking to somebody in India or Africa, and they charge you for the phone calls. So that's why I only get things that have the least chance of being shit. So at least these things are fairly simple, because there's no way to get a replacement or refund without spending money. Which is, unlike AliExpress, at least with them, you get no grief with a refund or returns. So yeah, those are my 2 things. A DIY taser, which I got to put together myself when I'm in a better frame of mind. I need alcohol and food first.